Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, how are you today? I hope we are all in a good health. Welcome to the seventh sessions of the initiations. This week you are going to learn about making and responding to an appointment as well as giving an explanation in English. In these sessions, you will find many phrases and you will know how to communicate in business. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify the expressions used to make or to respond to an appointment, explanation, or negotiations, and also draw a conclusion in a meeting. Please study the material and enrichment link below. Afterward, please participate in discussion forum 7 and do the assignment 3. Maybe that's all for today, student. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.